Hello, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Leo, and in today's video I am showing you one way of using your bullet journal to submit that paper. This is what has worked for me in the past, so I hope you can find some use as well. The first thing I like to do is write out all the tasks I can think of, like writing the intro and making figures. This will help me make a plan. So, I write a general plan to go from blank page to outline to submission. Then I'll use the spreads in my bullet journal to execute the plan. I'll start with the future log and write my ideal deadline. Then, in my monthly spread, I'll add artificial deadlines to help me stay on track. In my weekly spreads, I'll add as many tasks as I can think I can handle in 1 week. To recap, I find it easier to start with a list of tasks, write a plan, and embed it into my bullet journal, and then complete everything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.